Gobble, gobble went the happy turkey feasting on beef jerky in the California rain. Gobble, gobble, he said, gobble, gobble, he said, gobble, gobble in the California rain. Cock-a-doodle-doo went can the rooster, 'cause the hens look cuter in the California rain. Cock-a-doodle-doo say, cock-a-doodle-doo say, cock-a-doodle-doo, the California rain. I'm not your friend, Scowl, the Cornish game hen. She was glaring at Ken in the California rain. I'm not your friend, she said, I'm not your friend. She was scowling at Ken in the California rain. Why so unpleasant, queried Franz the pheasant. Is it rheumatism from the California rain? Why so unpleasant? You're so unpleasant, is it rheumatism from the California rain? Go on, Ken. That's some fine picking, said Miss Marcy Chicken, who made Ken's heart quicken in the California rain. That's some fine picking, some fine finger licking. She made Ken's heart quicken in the California rain. I now pronounce you a cock and his spouse too, said the parson grouse who held his service in the rain. I now pronounce you, he said, I now pronounce you, he said, I now pronounce you in the California rain. Gobble, gobble, said the happy turkey feasting on beef jerky in the California rain. Gobble, gobble, he said, gobble, gobble, he said, gobble, gobble in